What's the meaning of bantam? Bantam. Bantam.
Bantam. Bantam. The word bantam has several meanings, but its most common usage refers to small or miniature chickens. These birds are often kept as pets or for exhibition purposes because of their small size and striking appearance. The term bantam also applies to small people or animals, and is often used in a light-hearted or affectionate way. Additionally, bantamweight is a term used in boxing and other combat sports to describe a weight class for fighters who weigh between 118 and 126 pounds. Overall, bantam generally connotes something small or diminutive, but can have positive connotations in certain contexts.